R vs Morby 1882. The defendant's child died of smallpox. The defendant did not, owing to certain religious beliefs, call any medical practitioner. The medical witness gave evidence that medical treatment might have prolonged the child's life. Yet he refused to affirm that it would have saved it. Additionally, the witness submitted no evidence that the defendant's act caused or accelerated by the neglect. The jury found that it was reasonable and proper that the defendant should have called medical aid. However, he willfully neglected to do so. They convicted the defendant and he appealed. The trial judge reserved 2 questions for the Court of Appeal: whether there was any evidence that the life of the child would have been prolonged for any period of time, however short, if the defendant had called in medical aid, or in other words, that death was accelerated by his breach of duty. Whether, assuming the prisoner to have accelerated the death of the child by his breach of duty in willfully neglecting to provide for it medical aid as aforesaid, he was properly convicted of manslaughter. The court quashed the conviction. The judges quickly concluded that to convict of manslaughter it must be shown that the neglect had the effect of shortening the victim's life. Since the medical witness was of the opinion that the chances of survival would have been increased by having medical advice but failed to affirm that they would have been prolonged, the conviction could not be sustained. To convict the defendant of manslaughter, the prosecution must show that his act caused or accelerated the victim's death.